Here's a great deal on a 2018 Hyundai Tucson. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a rear window wiper, a tachometer, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, remote keyless entry, and cruise control. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Hyundai also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.